Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic AI agents. So let's get started. In the context of Agentic AI, what is the primary purpose of the reflection design pattern? The correct answer is option B. To allow the agent to review its own output and correct errors before finalizing a task. Which framework is specifically designed to build stateful, multi-actor applications with LLMs by modeling workflows as cyclic graphs? The correct answer is option C, LangGraph. When an autonomous agent uses tool-use function calling, what is actually sent back to the LLM from the external environment? The correct answer is option C. The output or observation resulting from the tool's execution. In a multi-agent system, MAS, what does the manager or orchestrator agent typically do? The correct answer is option B. It delegates subtasks to specialized worker agents and aggregates their results. What is the React prompting framework primarily known for combining? The correct answer is option B, reasoning traces and task-specific actions. In autonomous agent workflows, what is goal drift? The correct answer is option A. The tendency of an agent to lose focus on the original objective over many iterative steps. Which component of an autonomous agent is responsible for storing episodic memory? The correct answer is option B. The context window/short-term buffer or a vector database of past interactions. How does human-in-the-loop (HITL) improve the safety of autonomous LLM workflows? The correct answer is option B. It requires a human to approve high-stakes actions, such as executing code or making a purchase. What is the primary advantage of tree of thoughts (TOT) over standard chain of thought (COT) for agentic planning? The correct answer is option B. TOT allows the agent to explore multiple reasoning paths and backtrack if a path fails. In the CrewAI framework, what defines the specific expertise and tools available to an agent? The correct answer is option C. The role. Which of the following is a major security risk unique to autonomous agents with tool access? The correct answer is option A, indirect prompt injection via tool outputs, e.g., an agent reading a malicious website. What does dynamic task decomposition refer to in agentic workflows? The correct answer is option A, breaking a complex prompt into smaller subtasks on the fly based on current progress. In an autonomous coding agent like OpenDevin or Devin, what is the sandboxed environment used for? The correct answer is option B. To safely execute and test code without risking the host system's security. When using self-correction in an agentic loop, what is a common failure mode? The correct answer is option B, infinite loops where the agent repeatedly corrects the same error without progressing. What is the role of a state schema in an agentic orchestration framework like LangGraph? The correct answer is option B. It defines the structure of the data that is passed between different nodes in the graph. Which of these is a hallmark of autonomous workflows compared to standard LLM chains? The correct answer is option C. The agent's ability to decide which tool to use and when to stop. In AutoGen, what is a user proxy agent? The correct answer is option A. An agent that simulates a human user to provide feedback or execute code. What is plan and execute in the context of agent architecture? The correct answer is option A. An architecture where the agent creates a full plan first, then executes it step by step. Why is state management critical for multi-turn autonomous agent sessions? The correct answer is option B. It allows the agent to maintain context and progress across multiple interactions. What is the primary purpose of semantic routing in an agentic workflow? The correct answer is option A. To route requests to different models or tools based on the intent of the input. In the context of evaluating agents, what does trajectory refer to? The correct answer is option B. The sequence of thoughts, actions, and observations an agent takes to solve a task. What is tool-constrained generation? The correct answer is option A, forcing the LLM to only output valid JSON or specific tool call formats. Which of the following describes hierarchical multi-agent systems? The correct answer is option B. Agents are organized in levels, where lead agents supervise sub-agents. What is context overflow in long-running autonomous workflows? The correct answer is option B. When the history of the conversation and tool outputs exceeds the LLM's context window. How does few-shot prompting specifically assist an agent with tool use? The correct answer is option A. It provides examples of how to correctly format tool calls and interpret results. What is recursive task refinement in agentic design? The correct answer is option B. The agent breaks down a task, attempts it, and uses the failure/feedback to redefine the subtasks. In an autonomous workflow, what is environmental feedback? The correct answer is option B. The response from the real world or software system after an agent takes an action. Which of these is a common strategy for managing long-term memory in agents? The correct answer is option A, summarizing past interactions and storing the summary in the context window. What is the primary function of a critic agent in a critic-actor agentic pattern? The correct answer is option B. To evaluate the actor agent's work and provide constructive feedback for improvement. What does zero-shot tool selection imply? The correct answer is option B. The agent chooses the correct tool based solely on its pre-trained knowledge and tool descriptions. Thank you for watching.